Okay, this is new user interface in buildbox 4. It has changed a lot of things in it. You can see I have a basic version. You can purchase any version that you want. It's not it's free just for 5 days, but you have to purchase it to use it. Here is just empty 3D objects. It's focused on 3D objects and 3D games. If you click, you can see a navigation guide here. In the next lesson, I will explain how to navigate in viewport. But this is user interface. From here, we have, and first you can see lots of changes here. We have transparency menu that you can see the game below them. And here is the new tool selection tool and other transform tool. We have game asset here tab and the scene tab. The scene tab is like before, camera, light, ground, and we have a new thing, sky box here, that you can change the sky box, ground, sun, or camera, and other tools that I will be explaining them. You can access the game asset browser like before. With the catalog, you can insert any object that you want or purchase. Here is you can add again library with asset browser or primitives like objects and lights like before in a scene asset. That's it. If you select any object here, you can access its settings like before. In this part, we have all of that brain box. And from here, you can see we have word, you can access physics component. In a UI, it's very interesting. You can see the game UI exactly on the 3D view, interesting. Or for example, pause menu, game over menu, and then turn off. You can go to the camera view. You have here a navigation. I will explain them. Here in the zoom, that I will be explaining. We can, for example, make it to 2D or 3D or change the camera and align view, for example, at the top, turn off the camera, or you can see reset the camera. Nice. Like before, if you double click, or here, it's a home, and here is a mind map. You can see it's a different, it has changes. You can see a screen view or like old version mind map. In this case, you can see it's in 3D world, start menu, game UI that is on top of each other, or old mind map. That's, I like it more. You can see, for example, this is then start, then we are going to the 3D world, the game UI that is in top of that. If you pause, you go to the this menu. If you game over, double click, you can go to the this menu. It's like before. If you go to the home, to the world, if you double click on any object in the scene, you can access it's their mind map node system of them, like before. All of this. I will record two kind of tutorial for buildbox 3 and parallel to that in buildbox 4, because the buildbox 3 is free to use and access, but buildbox 4 you have to purchase it. Okay, let's begin. And the most important things and the new thing that you can access in buildbox 4 is an AI assistant. It's very interesting. If you click in here, you can type anything that the game is creating for you. For example, create a campfire scene, type this, and it's creating such a this thing for you. Or create underwater world. Or for example, add 10 tree, for example, in a line. Boom. Then hit enter, and it's creating the 10 tree in line for you. And then you can access them, its settings. Okay, you can see the new entity is added and we have 10 tree in line. Nice. For example, add the fire. Let's see what happened. Add fire to where you have to tell the software more to understand better. Add fire in which where. Here you can see add 10 tree in line. Okay, your request has been successfully executed. You can use asset nodes here or entities or could result. Oh, no. Add fire where? Add fire asset. Where was that? No, just a simple. Oh, particle emitter. It's added simple particle emitter. Nice. And then you can close it. Where did you add that? Somewhere there. I have to find it. You have to say, for example, add fire at front of the character. And here you can add your node and something like that. I think I have to preview game to see it better. So you can write anything. Yeah, add fire is exactly at the character. And this is your character. And you can run. Okay, interesting.